Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. You already know what's happening, so let me just get to it. I gotta do better, I know. Anyways, I want to see if this one, it did. Okay, perfect. My market isn't for another few hours, but I have places to go, things to do, so I'm doing a one-stop, well, all-in-one. Oh, this is pretty. I like this. Yeah. That song about the fairy is stuck in my head. I'm sure it's stuck in everybody's head too, but why am I doing this? I could do this later. All right, so that's one. Plop that over there. This one, we're gonna ignore everything else on the table, okay? If I don't take it out, we're ignoring it. Huh. Kinda. We got that part came out right. And the white in the middle. Yeah. Not mad at it. Not mad at it. Okay. And this one here. Ooh. 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 Hold on now. Yes. Ooh. Okay, I don't even know what to name this, but this is pretty. I've been trying to think of like cool names and stuff. Y'all can't even see it. I'm doing everything off the camera except what I'm supposed to be doing. But look at this. This is gorge. It's like a brown and white situation here. I was trying to get it to like mix up properly. I'm glad we got some in there, but it was like all white on the base and whatever. But yes. All right, now this one, obviously I was in a white mixy mood. Ay, ooh. Okay, oh yeah, perfect. Oh, that's actually perfect. This came out exactly how it was supposed to look. All right, perfect. All right, so 1, 2, 3 are going to the market. Also, never mind, we'll talk about that later. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 are going to the market. These still need to be done. Yeah, I'm not rushing that. I'm not doing that. Anyways, make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless, and whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.